Hi, little scientists! Today, let's explore a fun question. Why is seawater salty? Describing seawater. When you taste seawater, you'll notice it's salty. That's because there's salt inside. Where does the salt come from? When rain falls on mountains and land, the water picks up tiny bits of salt and minerals from rocks. Salt flows to the sea. Then the rivers carry that salt all the way to the ocean. Water evaporates, salt stays. The sun makes seawater evaporate into the sky, but the salt doesn't go with it. It stays behind. Recap. Rain. Rivers carry salt. Ocean. Water evaporates. Salt stays. So over time, the sea gets saltier because salt keeps coming in, but it doesn't leave. Question for you. Spring water, rainwater, or seawater? Can you guess which cup is seawater? Please leave your answer in the comments section below. Thank you for learning with me today, little scientists. See you again soon.